Hollywood's biggest night brings out the best fashion. Find out which 7 dresses had us doing a double take. Welcome back to Clevver's award show coverage on Newsfeed. Today's episode of Newsfeed is brought to you by T-Mobile. With double the LTE coverage, you can know it all from almost anywhere. The fashion at this year's Academy Awards was show-stopping, so we're breaking down the 7 dresses that we loved the most. When it comes to the Oscars, it's all about glamour. So our first Best Dress shout-out goes to Margot Robbie, whose plunging Tom Ford gold gown had winner written all over it. Oscar Barbie, am I right? Another dress we love from this year's Oscars was Saoirse Ronan's green Calvin Klein collection dress. It's sparkly, sleek, and sexy, and we could not get enough of it. Next up is one of our all-time Oscar fashion icons, Charlize Theron, who rocked the plunging-iest of plunge gowns in a red Dior Haute Couture dress, accompanied with, not to mention $3.7 million worth of Harry Winston diamonds. I wonder how many times she had to say, "Hey, eyes are up here," while wearing that necklace. Probably 3.7 million times at least. Our next favorite dress is Best Actress nominee Brie Larson's stunning royal blue Gucci dress that made her look like a walking goddess of chiffon. That's a gown that definitely knows it's gonna win. Another dress we're obsessing over is Bollywood superstar Priyanka Chopra's white strapless Zuhar Murad dress. The elegant flowery details, the metallic belt, the mermaid cut, there is nothing we don't love about this dress or Priyanka's look overall. Another actress who completely slayed her Oscar look was the ever-elegant Olivia Wilde, who wore a Valentino Haute Couture that looked like it was made by a Greek goddess for a Greek goddess. The structure of the dress was one of the more riskier looks of the night, and I think it's safe to say she more than pulled it off. And finally, last but not least, it just isn't an Oscar Best Dress list without our girl Jennifer Lawrence, who of course wore Dior and of course looked incredible. The black lacy number was the perfect contrast to J-Law's noticeably platinum blonde hair, which made her look equal parts edgy and sophisticated. But would we expect anything less from J-Law? Of course not. Alright guys, that is our favorite 7 dresses from the Oscars, but right now I want to know which gowns were your absolute favorite. Let me know all your thoughts in the comments below, or hit me up at Danielle Robay on Instagram or Twitter, and when you're done with that, click right over here to check out our Oscars Best and Worst Dress list. Thanks so much for joining me during Clevver's 2016 award show coverage. I'm your host Danielle Robay, and I'll see you soon. Click to the left to check out Sam Smith's Oscar performance, or to the right to check out Lady Gaga's incredibly moving performance. Thanks again to T-Mobile for sponsoring this episode. Click to the right to stay in the know almost anywhere you go with double the LTE coverage.